Most tools in the workshop feel like they were built for survival, but holding this sleek aluminum cylinder feels like gripping a high-end piece of tech. It is surprisingly heavy in a way that suggests quality rather than bulk. You do not get that cheap hollow plastic vibration that usually comes with handheld hobby tools. Instead, the brushed metal finish gives it a professional weight that anchors your hand for delicate work. This is clearly a device aimed at the person who spends hours at a desk cleaning up 3D prints or engraving fine details into wood and metal. The unboxing experience itself sets a high bar. You press the top and the inner chamber slides out to reveal a perfectly organized world of accessories. There are 35 different bits, and the best part is the magnetic hub. If you have ever knocked over a container of tiny drill bits and spent the next hour on your hands and knees with a flashlight, you will appreciate this. The magnets hold everything in place even if you tip the case upside down. It is a level of organization that makes you want to start a project, just so you can use it. Under the hood, the brushless mortar is the real star of the show. It reaches 25,000 revolutions per minute, which sounds like a lot, but the delivery is incredibly smooth. You do not get that aggressive kick when you turn it on. It just hums to life with a quiet, confident buzz. There are 5 speed settings that you toggle through with buttons on the body. It is designed for finesse. You can feel the difference when you are sanding down a tiny resin part. It does not jump or skip across the surface. It just glides. Now, you have to be realistic about what this thing can actually do. If you go into this expecting to cut through a thick steel bolt or grind down a heavy weld, you are going to be disappointed. It lacks the raw, bone-shaking torque of a corded industrial tool. It is a precision instrument, not a sledgehammer. The collet size is also on the smaller side, which means you cannot just swap in any random bit you find at the hardware store. You are mostly tied to the bits that come in the kit or very specific replacements. The control system is another area that takes some getting used to. The buttons are sensitive and placed right where you might naturally want to grip the tool, so there is a bit of a learning curve to avoid accidental speed changes mid-cut. Charging is handled through a standard port and it is impressively fast. You can go from a dead battery to a full charge in about an hour, which fits perfectly into a hobbyist's workflow. The sleep mode is a smart addition for battery life, though it can feel a bit eager to shut down if you pause for too long to inspect your work. Ultimately, this tool is about the joy of the process. It is about having a well-engineered, quiet, and beautiful device that makes light-duty crafting feel more like a professional art form. It is a specialized piece of gear that knows exactly what it is. If you need a heavy-duty workhorse, look elsewhere. But if you want the ultimate precision companion for your desk, this kit is absolutely legitimate and worth the space on your workbench.